Alright folks, today you can see that we're down in Gatlinburg, Tennessee doing a construction inspection. And of course everything's on a big old hillside, so I'm standing up so I can get a good view of what the men are doing. You can see what we got is a cinder block basement, half walls, or half wall away around perimeter. And of course, you see that's how we always do, even down here, we do the same thing. You see the gravel base right along through here. And then you'll see that they put bisqueen or plastic down. That's a vapor barrier. But do you notice how right there at the edge of it, right along through here, we don't have the plastic? And why is that? Well, that's because that's where our drainage system is going to go. So they didn't put that plastic there so the water or anything could seep down through there and get on out of the basement. And that's how that's done. And you see how the guys are all working together. They got the bull float. And you see this man right there with the hose. He's over there pouring that, and that's how they pull it up from down here. Now you can see it going way down here. Show you down here where it's going, and back down here to this truck. Now this is how they do it here. That's not how it's done in some parts of the country. But see how my cement truck is, and right here, that's a pretty cool system how they got them set up for these mountains up here. But they pour down here to this external pump. Now we have pump trucks, but these guys don't have pump trucks. This is what they're using because trying to get up and down in these mountains like that makes it really difficult. So they dump it down in that hopper then pumps it up there to this hose and then puts it right in here for the guys to work with. So look at them go. They'll have this here poured out here probably another 15-20 minutes. They'll work on it a little bit. They'll be out of here probably by lunchtime or so after they finish it up. See the guy down there skirting it off with the board with the blue? Yeah, the blue shirt, he's skirting it off, trying to make it level, keep the humps out of it. The other guy in the brown shirt, he must be a union boss. He's just standing there watching, collecting a paycheck, being bossy. Well, we got another union boss. Well, that's what you got. Now, this one's a real union boss. He's just sitting there doing nothing. Just sitting there with, and bossing in his tennis shoes. You know he's no boss, or he's no worker. But by looking at him, he got silly. But anyway, they're doing a great job. I just thought you'd like to see how they pour concrete basement floors in down in the Tennessee, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Thank you for watching our videos, folks. Have a great day. I hope this has been educational. Give us a call if you have any questions about your construction job or any construction work you need to be inspected. Galloway Building Services. Thank you, folks. Once again, have a great day.